Okay, so today, students, we will be piggybacking off what we learned last weekend with the solar system, and today we will learn to demonstrate, correlate where the sun, moon, earth are positioned and the movements they are making and going. Okay? Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to watch a quick YouTube video, and the link is right there on your paper. And during this video, you guys are going to activate a little bit of prior knowledge and write down 5 facts that you're going to write down 5 facts that you have learned or you knew. Okay? And after the video, we're going to have a quick discussion about the facts that you guys have written down. Okay? Okay, now that the video is over, I want each of you to tell me one fact that you did not know that you learned in that video, and then I want you to tell me a fact that you actually did know. And if you didn't know a fact, that's okay. Just write down. Just tell me 2 facts that you didn't know but that you learned. All right. So then, now that the video and we have talked about the facts that you guys have written down, which were all great, how it takes the moon 28 days to orbit the earth. I mean, that's an awesome fact that you guys had down. I saw another one was, how many hours does it take for the earth to complete one rotation on its axis, which is 24 hours, of course, which is one whole day. Now I'm going to write down the movements and rotational patterns on the smartboard, and I want you guys to look at them and try and mirror the images from the videos onto the board. Obviously it won't be as good as handwriting, but it's just another demonstration. Okay, and now that they are written down on there, we're going to do a little role play where you guys are going to break off into groups of 3 and 4, and we're going to create our own moon, earth, and sun movements with our own bodies. Okay, so one student is going to be the sun, one is going to be the moon, and the other will be the earth. Okay, and if there's a 4th person, then you guys can just take turns, and you guys are going to make the correct rotations of how we were just shown on the smartboard and from the video of the sun, moon, and earth in orbit, and make the correct rotations and which way it's going. And you guys all take turns through each time. So each student, each one of you guys are going to one's going to be the earth, one's going to be the moon, and one's going to be the sun. Okay, make sure you guys get in all the activities. Okay, so now that is over and was a ton of fun, we are going to do a kind of a arts and crafts, but we're going to still demonstrate and demonstrate the orbit and how it's moving with the sun, moon, and earth. Okay, so I gave you guys each a bag of Oreos, a plastic spoon, and a black marker, and a piece of construction paper. Okay, and you guys are going to make the Oreos, the moon orbiting around the earth. Okay, so you guys are going to color in the earth, and then you're going to make the sun and the moon Oreos, and you guys are going to draw arrows just like it's right there on the piece of paper that I handed out, and it's going to make it orbit around the earth, and you guys are going to demonstrate that with the Oreos. Okay, now that is over, and you guys ate all your Oreos, we're going to do a student reflection. Okay, this is going to be a 1 paragraph, that's all. We're looking for 5 to 8 sentences, summary on what we learned today and how it has applied to the activity. Okay, and tell me what you liked and what you didn't like, and what you did find fun and enjoyable. And then after you guys are done writing it down, we are actually going to do a audio file, and the audio file portion is going to be somewhat of the same. We're actually going to do kind of 2 three of the kind of same assignments but in different aspects. This one is going to be in the audio file, where you guys are going to go to the computers at the back of the classroom, and you're going to go to soundcloud.com and create a free profile and account. Just use your student email, and you guys are going to record a 2 to 4 minute audio file about what you learned and how the activity applied to today's lessons. Okay, now when the audio file is done, you guys are going to save that to the desktop on the computer, and then you are going to send that to me via email. Okay, from your student email, send that to me for my teacher's email. Okay. And then now that we have finished the audio file assignment, we're going to go to a video file, which you guys are going to love this one. It's going to be a lot of fun. In this activity, you guys are going to make a short 3 to 5 minute video about the three things that we did talk about today. And there's three things that you're going to talk about in the video. One, what was your favorite part of the lesson? What did you learn, and how would you change the experience that you had today to make it better for you in a learning environment? Okay. Now there is an example on the link that I emailed you guys. Just click on that, and that's me going through the assignment again and doing just a quick example of that. Okay. Now that the video file assignment is done, we're going to jump to the last assignment today. I know it's been a long day, but it's the Chogger assignment, okay? This is where you guys are going to stay on the computer, and you guys are going to go to chogger.com and create your free account, of course, and just use your student ID and your student email address to put in there. And we are going to make comic strips, okay? And we're going to make comic strips of how the moon and sun orbit, or the earth and moon and sun all orbit around in space, and how what we've basically learned all today and yesterday about the solar system. You guys are going to make an 8 to 10 slide / strip, and make sure to add sentences and words to the objects that you guys are putting in there. Have fun with it. Put emojis. Really, you guys can do whatever you want on this website. If you guys just kind of search around on Chogger, you can really find some neat stuff to add into your demonstration and your slides of the comic strips. Okay. Okay. Well, that is it for today. All you guys did great, and your video assignments and audio files, send them to me, and then the Chogger assignment that you guys aren't going to send to me. I forgot to mention, you guys are just going to show me that what you guys have created. And go ahead and share with a peer too. Have compare with the students, other students, and see what maybe you liked and what he didn't like, or she, or whatever. Okay. But that's it for today. We will keep piggybacking on what we've learned in the next couple of days tomorrow. I hope you guys had fun, and all right, have a good day.